Good evening, folks. It's 9:30 p.m. on Monday, June 5th, 2023. Now, what I have here is a TAT Windward. I acquired this new in the box years ago. I was actually a truck driver at the time, and I was delivering a new truck. I think I had to go from the Boston to Brockton facility with a new truck because we had two different dealerships. And Brockton's close enough. This was in East Bridgewater, brand new in the box, and on I don't know, Craigslist or whatever. I knew my time there was nearing the end, so I decided. I said, I just don't care. I'm gonna drive over there on the clock and. Pulled up as a Freightliner Cascadia and brand new like semi. I pulled up into to the end of the guy's driveway and kind of all right, this guy driving a huge truck. But anyway, I got this and I've tested it a couple of times so far. It seems to be running kind of slow. I might add some oil or whatever, but let's see. Start off on high. It's on a solid state, so I'm going to let it get a little bit slower incrementally. When I set it all the way down, it's probably going to stop. No, almost. You still going? Oh, here we go. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Please do like and subscribe to my page called The Fan Cave. And thanks for watching. Good night and good luck.